Hey there, Knolly Williams here, your success coach. And in this video, I want to share with you, I want to remind you of one of my favorite strategies for generating seller listing leads, especially if you're the mayor of your area or you're becoming the mayor of your area following my strategies and you're out there, people are starting to know who you are, especially in your farm areas. There's a great strategy that I write about right here in Success with Listings, and it's all about creating a free CMA service so that you can get more listings. So here's the idea. Now, I'm about to have a meeting or a meetup with the Knolly team, with my group. We call it Mentorship Masters, my free coaching group, and we're gonna spend a full hour dissecting this strategy. But before I jump on that call, that Zoom call with them, I thought I'd just jump in here real quick and remind you guys that the strategy is right here. So I won't go through the whole strategy because you've already got my book, right? You've already got it. If you don't have it, it's absolutely free. You go to knolly.com. You can download this bad boy, or we'll actually email you the PDF of it. Or if you prefer the hard copy, it's on Amazon. But here's the strategy. You'll look at the section called Offering a Free CMA Service, okay? So first of all, sometimes people ask me the question, hey, Knolly, should I offer a free CMA service? And I'm like, yeah, you should offer a free CMA service to any of your past clients, your sphere of influence, to your farm area, and even within your niche. I mean, it's a great service to do. So here are the quick pointers. I'm gonna go through them real quick because I just wanted to remind you that it's in here. I'm not gonna teach this to you right now because I'm actually gonna jump on a 1-hour class and teach this. But I just want to remind you to go to the book and dig this up and start doing this. Okay, this is just a reminder video, a reminder coaching session. I'm your coach trying to get on you to remember to do the things that I teach. So just a real quick outline. You're going to set up a quick property walkthrough, and I give you a very specific script to use when doing the property walkthrough. And how to get them to commit. One of the things I say in the scripts, hey, it won't take me more than 3 to 5 minutes tops. So the idea here is that even though you're doing a free CMA, you want to contact the prospect to let them know, hey, I've got your CMA, it's almost ready, but I need to walk through your house for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, that's all the time I need just to walk through your house real quick. And I've got another script that they push back. Okay, so because literally you're going to just get there, you're going to walk through for 3 to 5 minutes. The whole purpose of this really is to create a touch. You don't necessarily need to really walk through their house, but you want to see them face to face, create a connection with them. And I teach the psychology and strategy behind that right here. So there's a script behind that. And then if the seller pushes back and says, hey, we're not going to be available or whatever it is, I have a whole script on how to overcome that so that you can get your 3 to 5 minutes that you need just to walk through the house. Say, hey, I understand what you're saying, but trust me, I'm going to be out of your way in 3 to 5 minutes. I'm not going to sell you anything. I'm not going to try to, because they don't want you to come there and try to sell them. Okay, so you're going to give them your commitment that you're not going to do that. Then you're going to walk through the house. I teach you how to walk through the house. Be true to your word, quickly walk through the house and look around. Take a pre-listing packet containing your book, pre-listing package, and your video if you've got it, and hand that to the prospect. And here's a script that you're going to use when you do that, okay? And then you walk through the house with a clipboard or your smartphone, okay? And I teach you how to walk through the house and look like you came there to do what you came there to do, right? And then you close for the appointment, okay? And I give you a very short script of what to say to that person as you're walking out the door or as you're leaving the home. There's a quick script there. And if the seller isn't open to setting an appointment, perhaps they just aren't ready to sell right at that point, right now, then you're going to follow up with an email. You're going to follow up with an email either way. And I give you an email script where really you just have to copy paste that particular script and send it out to the person. So that is really the strategy behind doing a free CMA service. Okay, so again, the idea, you create a free CMA service where you would do a free valuation of their home. It's completely free. You do the valuation obviously online, then you quickly go by their house, you do a walkthrough. As you're going out the door, I give you a couple of scripts for how to get them to agree to let you into their home to do the quick walkthrough. Because there'll be all kinds of stuff, excuses that come up. Well, my house is not ready, I'm still not done, I'm not, it's not in a showing condition, all this kind of stuff that they say. And you overcome those, you get out there within a day or two, you walk through the house, you have a quick script, which is a closing script that I give you on your way out the door, okay? And then, and let me just share with you the closing script, because I know some of you guys are like, Knolly, share with us the closing script. Download, look, the book is free, it's right here, okay? But let me share it with you because I can hear some of you guys asking for it. So here's the close for the appointment, okay? So you've already walked through the house, you've given them your stuff. So the script, when you give them your stuff, oh, by the way, I brought you a book that I wrote for folks who are thinking about selling. It contains a lot of great information that you and your husband can review together. Okay, you give them your goodies, and they're impressed. Like, whoa, look at this. You got your seller packet, right? That I've taught you how to create. You've got your own book, okay, with your information on it. Whatever you change that out. So that's going to be super impressive to them. And then when you close for the appointment, here's the script, guys. Let me see if I can show it to you. It's right there. Okay, it says, Terry, I have to say you have a wonderful home here. I would love to interview for the job of getting your house sold. I'm confident I could get you top market price. Are you available to meet with me Thursday at 3, or would Friday at 2 be better? That's the script. Okay, so it's a real simple script, like as you're going out the door, oh, by the way, type of script. So, and of course they're going to be like, we're not really ready to get it on, but see, you've planted a seed. You've planted a seed. And you've already gotten to know them. You've already given them your goodies. They've already seen you face to face. You've already made that connection. So when they are ready to sell, guess who they're going to be thinking about? Boom. All right, so that's just another strategy in this big old book called Success with Listings that you need in your library. If you're really serious about succeeding in the listings game, this is the book that you need. So, hey, Knolly Williams here. I wish you much success with listings, much success in your career. Check us out at the Knolly team. If you don't have a place where you currently hang your hat that's teaching you everything that you need to know about how to get to the highest level of success, I've got the Knolly team. And the Knolly team is a syndicate made up of individuals just like you and I, also made up of real estate teams and real estate independent brokerages, all combined together in one group where we just teach, train, and help each other succeed to our highest level. Hey, if you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and like the video. All right, hey, I will see you on the next one. God bless.